Alright guys, we're back at the Spyder today. We did another little modification. I'm putting these in. These are the Lamonster Garage Bungee Buttons. Yeah, just a little piece of aluminum there with a stainless steel bolt. And what are we going to need to install these today? Well, that's about it. It's a 5mm Allen key. Me personally, little Loctite. So this is really simple. Open the door if you have it. Put the Allen key in here and turn it till it comes out. Okay, there's 4 of these obviously. This is going to take a really long time. So let me take these bolts out and then I'll meet you back here. Alright, I'm back. So I've got the first one. So basically you take a little bungee button here. Once again, trying to do this with one hand, not the easiest thing. You just put that in there. Grab your new stainless bolt. And then just tighten that thing up. Alright, so just drove those 2 home. And come in here. Just give it the final college try, as they say. Just snug them down. Okay, that ain't going anywhere. And of course, installing the other side, completely the same. And just remember, if you want to take these off at some point, you kind of have to lift this up. There's a little rubber tab that goes under a pin down this area. If you watch my previous video when I had this off to install this, you'd see it down there. So I'm going to go do the other side. Like I said, this is really easy. You do have to open, if you do have saddlebags, you do have to open the saddlebags to get your Allen key in there. FYI, but you should have figured that one out real fast. All right, let me do the other side. We'll reveal the finished product. All right, here we are at the last bolt. Just that last one in there. All right, that's done. There they are. That side and that side. Real easy. Real easy. 5-minute job, if that. Just be aware that on the back side, okay, let's see, like on the back side over here, inside the handguard, there's another washer. So if you pull this off, you might drop that washer. It can go rolling down. So just be aware of that. So now you have a space to put your bungee cord on, go through here over your stuff, and then hook it up into that side, or however you plan on using them. Yeah. So now you have a space to tie off to. You can come across to the other side. You can come across to the other side over there and then tie off to that side. And lay some stuff down to here. Me, myself, I plan on getting the detachable backrest. So I could put a bag back here and lash it to these and then to the backrest. But I don't need the backrest a lot, so I'm going to choose to get the detachable model. And I should probably mention this too. Do not throw away your old parts if they're not broken. You never know when you might need these again. So they have bolts in there, they're factory bolts. You might want to keep those. So just because you took the thing out doesn't mean you'll never need this bolt again. You know, I'm sure this bolt fits on this machine somewhere else. Hopefully you never need it, but you have it. You know, upstairs, and you know, I have a in the attic there. I got a bag full of the bolts of everything I've taken off of this thing, and I have a big, and also with my Ryker, I just keep these parts because, like I said, you never know when you're going to need them. But they are a little rusty, so I would say even if you're just watching this video, you do not intend to get these things. You might want to pull these out, give them a nice little coating of some sort of protectant. You know, maybe a little grease down the threads, keep it from seizing in there, in case you want to do this at a much later date. Yeah, you're also going to need a 6mm Allen to get these out, not a Torx. Okay, and the Lamonster is also a 6mm, so you only need one Allen key to do this job. All right.